where you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.
Hey friends, what is up? It's Azari and Heyyy, and I am back with another video. First of all, happy 2022. Let me start there. I don't know what 2021 was for y'all, but for me, I was having me a ball, baby. I was outside. Like, I moved. Not only did I move, but I started one job, left that job, started a new job, and we've been growing and flowing.
Yesterday's price is not today's price.
I went on 2 vacations. One was a little friendcation, one was a sneaky getaway. But other than that, I just been living my best life, honestly. Like, the skin is clearing up. I've been giving the wigs a rest, just wearing my little natural hair. I just been doing the damn thing, and honestly, I just pray that it continues for 2022. Excuse me, but I know y'all like, why this girl got on a jacket in the house? But it's just, I don't know. I'm feeling the line, like I'm feeling real slimy. Like, I don't know. But I miss y'all so much. I just want y'all to know the content is coming. I have so many videos planned, and I am super excited. I don't even want this intro to be long, better yet. So today we are gonna do an unboxing on a Christmas gift that I got. We're gonna be unboxing the Owens Drk Shdw sneakers. I'm super grateful. I'm super thankful because I actually spent Christmas by myself because it was my first Christmas in my own home. So I'm like, let me figure this out. Let me make this make sense. So I'm super grateful. So today I came home to, oh, let me not show my address. I came home to this big box here. The sneakers are, they feel kind of heavy. Like, this box feels heavy. So let's go on and, baby, let's get to unpacking. Period. So, how y'all been though? I'm asking y'all how y'all been, like y'all responded back. But nah, I really miss y'all. I wish I could tell y'all what I've been up to completely, but I can't do that because I'm finding peace and privacy. So when I'm ready for y'all to know, that's when y'all gonna know. But I do have an exciting video coming up because I think I want to do my first vlog. Being that I'm gonna be doing like a weekend getaway coming up real soon. So I think I want to do a pack with me, and then once I do that pack with me, I think I want to do a vlog of where I'm going. But baby, let's get into these shoes because this box is big. So this is the box here. So it was ordered off of Sense, or maybe it's Essence because it's 2 S's. Essence. Baby, I'm gonna just link it down below. But here is the box. Oh, how do I make this open? So it comes with these bubble wrap things. Y'all see. And then let me just flip this over. Yeah, that wasn't working for me. So it comes with this big box that says Drk Shdw right here. It's like a olive green box, cute little Drk Shdw. And then they ordered the sneakers in a size 36. So I wear a size 6 in women's, 4.5 in kids, maybe like a 3-4 in men's, depending on the cut of the sneaker. So let's get into it. So when you open it, it comes packaged like this, which is really cute. I'm kind of mad because my box is damaged. We don't do that. But the gift wrapping. Ooh, super cute. So these are the sneakers and how they have them wrapped. So let's get into the dust bag. So this is the dust bag here, which is super cute. It's a tote. So I might use this somewhere. I don't know where because I don't really got no stuff this color, but I like to play with colors great, honestly. It doesn't have a clip or nothing, but yeah, y'all know I got short arms, but it's a good bag. This is a good dust bag. So this is the dust bag here. Ooh, these are cute. And then these are the sneakers. So I don't know if it's going to give me a little bit of height, but here they are. So it has the zipper on the inside, and then let's see, they have them wrapped around and tied. It's actually how I would wear them, so that's super cute. And then it has like a weird type of lacing, I don't know. On the bottom here it says dark shadow, and then that's just about it. Hold up, this is calm. So let's see if this unzips. So this actually does unzip. Made in Italy, and then it has the that number, you know, like the reference number to know that they're real. So yeah, it has that number on the inside here, and then like my shoe size. So that's there. And then you can take the tissue paper out. And it's really cute because it has this oh, it got this girl in some heels. Let me see if y'all can see. It got my glistens in her heels. So I don't know if she's supposed to be the shadow. I don't know. I be thinking too much into things. But that is ultimately it. So we are going to give this a little try on. I jiggles. So we're trying this on. I got, well, let me not say the person who got them for me, they got them in my normal size, which is actually really cool. Because I wanted to go a size up initially, and I'm glad that they just got my actual size because I still have room in mine, but my feet are really, really tiny also. But I definitely still have some room in here. And then also, I was seeing reviews, and people were like, oh, it doesn't really add height. It doesn't really add height. Baby, I don't know what they talking about, okay? Because I'm 5 feet, and I can stand on my toe with it. Like, literally, if I stand on my tippy toes, I'm the height of the shoe. So, it adds some height to me. I'm like, maybe like 5'2", 5'3" with these on. Other than that, they are comfortable. I feel like the zipper makes it a little bit tight because, you know, it does get narrow going up the ankle. But other than that, I feel like the shoe is relatively comfortable. I think that if I wanted to wear a thicker sock, then maybe I should have went up. But in all honesty, these is white sneakers. I probably won't pull these out until maybe about the spring or the summertime. But then again, with my trip coming up, I might just have these packed up. So, you know, you may never know where the world take me. That's all I'm saying. But other than that, I think these are a cute, calm vibe. I think these are a great purchase. And honestly, a calm trend. And to be honest, when I was in college, I used to talk to this little son that had a pair of Rick Owens, and people really didn't know what they were unless you were really, really into fashion. catch them, catch them. Also, I forgot to mention, it also came with this little pouch. So this is like a booklet. If you get any like designer shoe, it always tells you like in the different languages how to care for the product, what the product was created with, like the type of materials and things like that. So this was the other thing. So it just says Drk Shdw on the pocket.